Welcome. In today's video, we're diving into a quick and simple guide on how to block someone on WhatsApp. Whether you're looking to silence unwanted messages or just need some space from certain contacts, blocking users on WhatsApp is an effective way to maintain your peace of mind. With just a few taps, you can regain control of your conversations. Let's get started with the steps to block someone on WhatsApp using your Android device. First, open WhatsApp on your Android device. This will take you right into your chat list, where you can easily navigate to your contacts. Next, go to the desired contact you wish to block and open their chat. You'll want to locate the conversation you've been having with them. Now, take a look at the top right corner of your screen and tap the three dots. This will open up a menu with several options for managing your chat settings. After tapping the three dots, select More from the drop-down menu. This option will lead you to additional settings related to this contact. Then, tap on Block. This will initiate the blocking process, ensuring that you no longer receive messages or calls from this contact. Finally, confirm your step. WhatsApp will ask you to verify that you indeed want to block this person. Tap Confirm. And just like that, you're done. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you can easily block someone on WhatsApp and improve your chat experience in no time.